In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike's marketing campaign template. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace. From your main Wrike home screen, head to your Add Campaign area or your main workspace where you normally manage projects. This is where we'll create a new space specifically for marketing campaigns using Wrike's built-in template. Look for the highlighted area that opens space creation options. Click that and then choose the option to create a space from a template. Using a template is ideal because it gives you a ready-made structure with folders, tasks, and views tailored for campaigns, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type in the highlighted term shown on your screen. Then locate and click on the template called Marketing Campaigns for a bank. Even if you're not in banking, this template is useful because it's organized around common campaign types and channels. Open the template and click on Use Template. You may see an additional highlighted button or confirmation area. Click that and then choose Continue. Wrike will now create a new space for you based on this template, complete with all the folders and sample tasks. Once your new space is ready, you'll see a structured list of folders and requests. Click the highlighted elements to open them and explore. For example, you'll see specific request forms like Secure Retirement, Secured Future, Audio, and Video Assets Request, and Small Business Growth Partner Audio and Video Assets Request. These examples show how you can collect detailed briefs for creative or production teams directly inside Wrike instead of via email or chat. Next, look at the campaign categories in the left-hand folder tree. Click through 01 Retail Marketing, 02 Business Marketing, and 03 Client Engagement. Then move on to 04 Digital Communications, 05 Internal Communications, 06 PR and Events, 07 Design Studio, and 08 Audio and Video Studio. As you click each one, notice how the work is grouped by theme or team, which helps you keep different campaign streams organized but still within one master space. Now let's look at views. In the top area, click View, then choose the option to see work by status on a Kanban board and click Create. This gives you a board view where tasks are grouped into columns like New, In Progress, and Completed, making it easy to track campaign progress visually. From the same View menu, choose the option to see scheduled work as bars on a chart and click Create again. This opens a timeline or Gantt-style view where each task appears as a bar on a calendar. Use the highlighted controls to adjust what's shown, then click on the filter and switch from All Tasks to My Active Tasks. This focuses the view on just the work assigned to you, helping you stay on top of your own campaign responsibilities within the larger marketing plan.